Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin immediately by confirming prerequisites. You own the game, you're in an Azuma, and you have the quest unlocked. Once done, travel to the pool landmark noted on your map. Make sure to approach from the correct dock or ledge. You will interact with the environment. Press the action button to start the sequence. This first step sets the instance. It triggers the only viable method to spawn the palace in the pool, so do not skip the exact location or the interact prompt. You proceed by following the quest's exact sequence. Timing is essential. Once the event begins, use the specified elements or gadget in the order shown. Delay breaks the spawn. Make sure to place characters on marked tiles or platforms when prompted, and maintain distance if the mechanic requires ranged activation. If a puzzle uses switches, activate them in the clockwise pattern while watching the visual cues. Keep calm. Precision and sequencing cause the palace to form in the pool. You finish by performing the final interaction. Press the confirm key when the indicator flashes. This cements the palace spawn and unlocks the rewards. If nothing appears, reload the area or exit to the title screen and re-enter. This resets the event. Make sure to recheck your quest log, then repeat steps exactly. One mistimed action or off position will void the spawn. Troubleshooting tip. If it still fails, clear the session, re-equip correct characters, and try again with precise timing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.